Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to install Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel on PC. First off, you need to open your Steam launcher. After opening the launcher, type Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel in the search bar located at the top of the screen. You can get this game for free. Now, click on Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel. Click on Add to Library. After that, go to your library, click on Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel, click on Install, browse to select a folder to use, make sure you have at least 1 GB free in your storage, then click Install. Wait for the download to finish, and there you go. That is how to download and install Yu-Gi-Oh! Master Duel in your PC. Thank you for watching.